This video is meant to familiarize the rider with the location of information and components on a Ranger XP Kinetic. Note that some features and accessories shown may not be present on all models and may not represent production vehicles. In the front of the vehicle, you will find the front camera, if equipped, the auxiliary light, which indicates charging status when turned on and charging, the front bumper, and the pre-wired winch connector behind the bumper. The vehicle hood can be removed by turning the 2/4 turn latches and sliding forward. Underneath the hood, you'll find the pulse bar. Moving to the front suspension, you'll find the shock assembly with adjustable preload, sway bar link, A-arms, CV joints and axle, tie rod assembly, ball joints, and grease zerks on the sway bar mounts. The brake fluid reservoir can be viewed through the left front wheel well. The headlight adjustments can also be found in both front wheel wells. On both sides of the vehicle, you'll find the side net doors, which can be opened and closed using the buckle at the front. The nets can be adjusted by loosening or tightening the strap near the buckle. Once inside, the driver's seat can be adjusted using the lever on the right side of the seat. On the left side of the dash, you'll find a cup holder, speaker, lower storage, accent light switch, high and low beam headlight switch, spare auxiliary slots, steering wheel adjustment lever, instrument cluster, mode and navigational switches, upper storage, key switch, and gear selector with direction selector switch. On the center dash, you'll find the ride command display, auxiliary switch slots, all-wheel drive switch, drive mode switch, 12-volt auxiliary switch, 12-volt power socket, a dual USB connector, lower storage, and dual cup holders. On the right side of the dash, you'll see two upper storage compartments, the passenger grab handle, a cup holder, speaker, and a glove box that houses a USB connector and the toolkit. In the toolkit, you'll find a multifunction pliers, shock adjustment tool, spare fuses, socket wrench, tire pressure gauge, T40 Torx wrench, T30 Torx wrench, T25 Torx wrench, and clutch spreader tool. Under the passenger seat, you'll find a storage compartment. Remove the storage compartment to find the 12-volt battery, high voltage service disconnect, and the fuse panel. On the floor under the passenger seat is a cutout for bucket storage. Located on the driver's side of the vehicle are the EVSE charger compartment lid and the EVSE port and cover. The cargo box tilt latch is located on both sides of the vehicle behind the doors. Tilting the cargo box will give you access to the radiator cap. The tailgate can be lowered by releasing the rear cargo box latch. Inside the cargo box, you'll find an auxiliary power connector, 4 tie-down points, and the tire pressure and cargo load sticker. Below the tailgate is the rear camera and the tow hitch. Moving to the rear suspension, you'll find the shock assembly with adjustable preload, A-arms, sway bar link, axle with CV joints, and grease zerks on the sway bar mounts. An additional grease zerk can be found on the prop shaft in the center of the vehicle. The VIN label is located on the vehicle chassis in the passenger side front wheel well. The VIN is also stamped on the driver's side rear frame above the wheel well liner. Always read all warning labels on your vehicle before riding. A detailed list can be found in your owner's manual. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.